The dogs are barking loudly as the house begins to groan, as I lay in the safety of my bed. I hear a tree come crashing down across the road. The power goes along the street. There's little I can do and curl up in my bed and try to get a little bit of sleep. I wake up in the morning and the world seems still. The winds that blew so fierce had gone away. The sun was shining brightly as the dogs played in the yard. I guess my house, my home